Hey, thanks for joining us. Dollawal RC. We're always looking for new stuff, crawling and racing on a budget on a track made of junk. So, Gino brought a couple of buggies over here a few weeks ago, and we ran them. You can check back on our videos, a couple of new bright Broncos and stuff. So, we got ourselves a Blackout XTE 10-scale brushless monster truck ready to run. Look at this bad boy. All right. Kind of looks like a Ford F-250 if you ask me. So what does it got, Gino? Let's turn that box around. It's 1/10 scale, transmission color cover, fully adjustable suspension, oil-filled adjustable shocks. Oh, motor heat sink. That's a thing. And a durable chassis, which you want in your monster truck. So we're gonna take this out of the box and see what we got. All right, so we got our manual. Comes with the binding and the antenna cover, so we'll look into that later. We don't need that. We don't need no stinking instructions. This is the box with the radio transmitter. Should be the same as every other Redcat transmitter we have. My brother just got a Blackout SC, and it is the same transmitter, so this one should be, yep, similar. Open up the toppy here. Yep, you got your steering trim, throttle trim, all of that, pretty basic. I've learned to mark mine. I put stickers on them because we got so many that you don't know which one. This one almost feels like it's got batteries in it, but I don't think it's got batteries in it. There is your Nymph charger.
No P.
I have 4 of these already, 5 of these already. So this takes the same batteries as all of my Redcats, so that's pretty cool. I actually got a brand new one in the box if you want to buy it, because I got it and I didn't need it. So what do we got here? Holy stinking tire, Batman. Look at this bad boy.
Let me touch the tire.
Okay, touch a tire. I want to touch a tire.
Oh.
Oh.
Firm.
Oh, no.
Oh.
It's just like the SC Pro. There's not a lot of tire here as far as like, but that's what it's made for. Let's see the underneath, Gino. Oh, it's basically, boy, it's almost like a Traxxas setup because of the, wow. Okay, hold on. I need to breathe. Wow. Okay. So,
Dude,
it's your regular Redcat Nymph batteries. I call them Nymphs. The motor seems to have upgraded fins for better cooling and such. Again, here's your, right here, here's your plugs for your lights and accessories and things. Great place for the battery. That's pretty sick. Okay, fully adjustable shocks. He's got these about 5-6 rings up. This one seems like a little more than that. May have to adjust those. But adjustable shocks. Oil filled, you said?
Oil filled. Yeah. Wow, you just spin it to bring it up.
Yes.
You're so bringing that up.
Yes.
You're so bringing that up.
Okay. Boy, there's good stuff in there. This seems like
Let's
it's
try it.
all that.
Stop talking. Let's try it.
Yeah, jump it.
My glass is like a principal.
Jack Darrell's and Gino.
There you go.
It can crawl.
Like nothing.
Redcat XTE Blackout monster truck. Boy, oh boy, we put it to the test. Very affordable. It'll crawl, it'll jump, it's got good speed control.
Like nothing.
Again, digging it. How many stars? I would say 5 stars, redcatracing.com, Dollawal RC. On to the next. Wow.
I don't know if on video I am. Whoa! Ah, same thing Ray did.